Welcome to How to Maximize. In this video I'm going to show you how to add reviews to your Shopify store, right? So right now I'm in the Shopify dashboard. You have to click on the apps which is on the left side, okay? And here you have to click on reviews. So you will have to search the app here. So let's say just click here reviews, okay, and just hit the enter. All right, so I have already added an app which is called AliExpress, and I will tell you that how you can add this, right? So guys, you have to just go to the search bar, just type your apps and hit the enter, and after that you will get this kind. So here search for apps in the Shopify app store, right? So it will redirect to your new page, and here you have to write your reviews, okay? So just enter here reviews and hit the enter button, and after that you will get to see a lot of apps, and some of them are free, some of them are paid, and you can just check out, right? So I have used this one, Ali reviews. You can check and just you can choose any of them. So you have to click on here, and after that you have to click on add app, which will be shown here. So I have already installed it, right? And after that you will see this kind of interface here. So you have to click on the import reviews, which is on the left side. So click on import reviews, and here all the products will be shown here, right, which is added in your store. So right now there is only one store, so click on import reviews here, and if you want to add the extension to the Chrome, you can do it, but for this time I will just skip, and here I will enter the URL of which product I want to import the reviews, right? So let's go into the AliExpress, and let's say I like this product, okay, and I have to enter the URL. I will just copy the URL here and I will just paste it out, okay? And after that I will click on the import reviews, and this is importing reviews. So right now we didn't found any reviews. Let me just try another one. So we will just go to the AliExpress, and here we will try to select another one. Let's say if I just click on here, and after that I will copy the URL and just paste the URL here, okay, and hit the import reviews. So guys, you can see that we have imported our reviews. So click on here the I button, right? So view on store, and after that we will able to see the review, right? So you can see here that we can see the review, right? So this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.